Some evidence suggests Nefertiti achieved pharaonic status in her own right, an extraordinary elevation placing her among the rarest category in Egyptian history, female kings. Yet, even this momentous achievement dissolves into historical ambiguity. The reign of Nefertiti concludes abruptly, followed immediately by the emergence of Tutankhamun, a child king who would systematically dismantle his predecessor's religious innovations and restore traditional worship. If Nefertiti indeed ruled independently, her reign proved brief. If she assumed the identity of the mysterious Smenkhare or ruled as Nefertiti, she governed as an ephemeral sovereign, visible only through fragmented cartouches and damaged artifacts, a historical enigma with its central piece missing. Thus, the woman who dominated Egypt's most radical era vanishes from recorded history with the same suddenness that marked her arrival. Her narrative, however, continued evolving. As Amarna's revolutionary dust settled, a new figure emerged, a boy king scarcely old enough to wield the royal crook and flail. Originally named Tutankhamun, a living image of Aten, he soon became Tutankhamun, living image of Amun, signaling the restoration of traditional religion. His historical significance stems not from his accomplishments during life, but from the unparalleled treasures discovered in his undisturbed tomb. Yet, a crucial question persists. Who was his mother? Historical records maintain frustrating silence. While evidence strongly suggests Akhenaten as his father, his maternal lineage remains shrouded in uncertainty. Some scholars propose Nefertiti as his stepmother. Others present compelling arguments for her biological motherhood, citing artistic evidence suggesting his childhood coincided with her final documented appearances. If Nefertiti indeed bore Tutankhamun, subsequent events acquire logical coherence. His early reign exhibits evidence of sophisticated guidance. The systematic dismantling of his father's religious innovations seems unlikely to have originated from a child's mind. This introduces the most tantalizing historical mystery: who orchestrated Egypt's course during Tutankhamun's vulnerable reign. At approximately 9 years old, when ascending the throne, a child could hardly navigate the complexities of restoring an ancient religious system. Someone operated behind the scenes, someone versed in court politics, religious authority, and symbolic communication. Could Nefertiti have continued wielding power from the shadows?